snorkel stuff on and we're ready to go.
Alright, let's go into this glassy water.
It's a little scary. Oh, this is in this dark cave.
In the last video, we arrived at Pratinha Farm in Chapada Diamantina. We swam in a crystal clear river at the mouth of a cave. Now we get to explore that cave.
So it's 120 real to snorkel for 2 people, so that is $24 total, $12 each. We weren't going to do it at first, but we thought it looked pretty cool, so we better do it.
So like Lindsay said, this thing costs $12 to do, and the reason we're able to do it is because we're not taking a tour. A lot of people take a tour of the whole place,
which would limit your time for activities like this, and you'd already be spending a bunch of money. So instead our money is going towards an activity. So I'm glad we opted to not do the tour.
We weren't gonna do this at first, but then I thought about it. Back at home, we might buy one meal, like a single burrito or something like that, for about $10. So it's almost the same to do an experience like this, which could end up being one of our favorite experiences.
And we might never get to do this again. We are entering the cave. Okay, we got our snorkel stuff on and we're ready to go. We even got flippers.
Alright, let's go into this glassy water.
This is not your ordinary snorkeling. When you go down, it's so clear and blue, and you see hundreds and thousands of fish around you.
We've never seen anything like this. This is already one of my favorite experiences ever.
You have to do this.
Nothing looks like this that I've ever seen. I've seen clear water, but this is something else. It doesn't seem real. Little cave here. This place doesn't seem real at all. It seems like they put this here. It's more like a pool than a real place. It seems like Disneyland, but it's natural. Just can't believe this place. Even after an hour being here, it's unbelievable. Those are bats right above us. About 10 bats just sleeping right up there.
This is one of the coolest things I've ever done. This is such a cool experience. It's a little scary. Oh, this is in this dark cave.
That fish is huge. Yeah, try to swim by it. I wish you guys could see how deep this is now. It's extremely deep down there. And then the ceiling of the cave. Wow. I just spotted a turtle. Look at this.
So that lasted about 45 minutes. So a good time for a tour. We're so happy we did that. So cool.
Definitely one of the best experiences ever. That was so cool.
For only $12 each. If you stand still, they are nibbling at my legs. Won't even hit my butt. It kind of hurt. Little love bite.
This place is awesome. We had no idea. A lot of times in Brazil so far, the less touristy places that you don't hear about that often, they have been our favorites.
You can easily spend all day here. We would highly, highly recommend this. This has been one of our favorite days so far.
Okay, we're grabbing lunch really quick. A tapioca, just like I had for breakfast, but this time it's a sweet tapioca. You can get salty or sweet. This one is cinnamon and banana. Haven't had a sweet one yet, so that'll be good.
And honey.
And honey, and a mango juice.
And I got an acerola juice, which is Brazilian cherry, and a pastel with carne and queso. Okay. Well, it's been a full day. It's been awesome.
We're leaving a very good place in Brazil. Once again, we are somewhere that we highly recommend you check out if you can. We're gonna have to do a video when we end all of these videos saying what our favorite things are.
Yeah.
But this is definitely gonna be on there. So as you guys know, we post on YouTube as much as we can, but we also have little video clips and photos that we can't post on YouTube.
So if you want to see more, follow us on Instagram, Lindsay Travelbum
And Alexander Travelbum.
See you there.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video.
If you want to see more videos like this one, click one of these.
And subscribe right here because we're traveling all around the world and we're sharing the whole thing with you. See you in the next one.